Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the main control board in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new main control board. The main control board is located at the rear of the fridge, bottom right, looking from the back. This board controls all of the major functions of the refrigerator, like the compressor, all of the fans, the defrost cycle, the temperature, etc. If you start experiencing problem with the temperature inside both freezer and fresh food sections, check the main control board and replace it if needed. Here we are at the back of the fridge, and this metal plate is covering the main control board. So we need to take out this bunch of 1/4-inch screws using a 1/4-inch nut driver. Let's go to work. Now I'm going to remove the cover. Next, I'm going to take off all the connectors. And we're going to do it one by one. We've got this pin here that holds it. I'm going to use the Flatblade screwdriver. I'm going to squeeze it so we can pull it off. One more pin here at the bottom, right there. This is our ground wire. We just pull it off. This is the old main control board next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Well, if you remove the harness to the sides, you will see the 4 mounting pins, not 2 at the bottom, all 4 we have. In our case, the 2 top ones didn't work, but we need to put them on anyway. So we've got openings in the control board, and we're going to place it on. A miracle! All 4 I'm holding now. Now I'm going to connect the plugs. I'm going to keep our ground wire right there. And I'm going to start putting plugs on. When you install these long plugs, make sure that you're not missing any pins and you're not bending any pins. So this control board is universal. So in some cases, not all the plugs will be attached. So, alright, so I'm going to install this small one right there. Now, as you can see, we'll have a couple of the plugs not used, so don't be alarmed. As I mentioned, this is a universal control board. It goes for many different model numbers. In our case, we use whatever we'll get. And I'm going to place this ground wire right there. Alright, I'm going to put it on the panel. I need to make sure that the ground wire is going to be right there. So I'm going to place the first screw on the top here. We're going to place the ground wire on, and I'm going to install this screw, and then I'm going to install the rest of the screws. We're going to start placing them diagonal. I'm using the 1/4-inch nut driver. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. for any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.